Making the Nigeria tomato stew on my first day. I'll be glad sharing with you how I make it. You're most welcome. I want to show you how I make a Nigerian stew, and I'm going to show you step by step until I get to finish everything. So I have some stuff that I'm going to. Here are the stuff that I have bought for the stew. I'll start with tomatoes. This is tomatoes. I have like there's so many because I want a lot of stew. And the second one I'm going to use is onion. I have 5 pieces of onion, and I also have pepper. This one is hot. For those who knows Nigerian pepper, here it is. I have 5 pieces. I'm gonna put like because they're very hot, so I'm going to put 5 pieces. Yeah, I think that one will be fine. And I'll need ginger. I also have ginger, a piece of ginger, so I'm going to put maybe I can't put all, I just put half of it. And also I have garlic. Yeah. And next I need to use capsicum. Yeah, I have yellow, I have green, and I have red. It makes the stew to be yummy. I like it, I love it. I'm just going to start washing and prepare them, and then after that I go to the next step. Please stay there with me so that you're gonna use the same method, all the same formula to make your stew. Yeah, stay there with me as I'm going to use the sink as well. Let me just start quickly. I love Nigerian stew because it's very sweet, especially when you're making with rice. But by the way, I'm not going to put any meat. I just need a stew, only stew. And then meat, I will be preparing it later. So I'll just keep those there. And next one I'm going to wash is capsicum. And I'm going to use what we call it, garlic. I'm going to put garlic. For the onion now, I'm just going to add as I'm blending the tomatoes. Okay, here is the onion. I'm going to wash them. Ginger and chili, pepper. And keep them ready. I'm slicing the gingers because I cannot put it full of it. So it will be into small pieces. And that is what I'm going to start with. But I need water from the tomato, so that to put first this one, like 2 of them, yeah. And then I glide as well. This one here. coil the towel. This is my stew. As you can see, it's full. So the pot. I have finished to blend it, and then I'll just leave it. What I will just need to do is to reduce the heat because I don't have to stir it. Oh my goodness, the day I tasted this Nigerian stew, I was like, I can't wait to know how to make it. Yeah, for those who have tasted this stew, they know what I mean, because in Kenya we don't know about this. Me, I'm a Kenyan, and I never know how to make this stew, so it was my first time to taste it, and I felt like it is the best stew to make. Just let it to boil, and I think I should not even, okay, I'll try to mix it, but I should not try to stir. What I'll just do is to mix. Remember the first grade I did is just for onion and pepper and capsicum. So yeah, like that. So this is how I'll just leave it to boil. Wow, I have finished to make my Nigerian stew. Yay, it's already dry, the water. As you can see, remember it was full to the top, yeah? And this is what I have got, yeah? But I really like it. So thank you guys for watching and cooking with me my Nigerian stew. I'm so humbled. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, leave the comment. I'm here to say bye bye. See you to the next video.